to another episode of Crafts and Stuff with Rachelle. I am here once again with some of the 4-H Science Pirates, a STEM club in Massachusetts. Well, we are in Massachusetts, a STEM club in Wilmington. Today we are going to decorate cupcakes. So right now I have
John
and
Ben.
John and Ben, and we are going to make cupcakes with a turtle on them. Okay, so because it's a turtle and turtles tend to be in the water, we're going to put a little bit of blue frosting.
But aren't they green?
Yeah. And turtles green.
Yes, but this is the water.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you go ahead, put a little bit of blue frosting on. Well, more than that. Yeah, that's good. That much. Smear it about.
Smear,
Okay, and then your turn. Smear it about. And we've got all kinds of goodies on the table that we're going to use to decorate a bunch of animal cupcakes today. All right, so first, don't fall over Fruit Loops, is my favorite store-bought cookie. Oreos. You all set? Mm-hmm. Oh, you made a mess already. Have a piece of paper towel. Let's put the frosting over there. Okay, so Oreo is the shell. Boom. There we go. Okay, it looks just like a turtle, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't.
Looks just like a turtle.
Now I've got frosting on me. Okay.
Yay.
Okay, no, well, because the turtle needs a head, it needs legs.
We're done.
So we're going to use
This is our turtle.
the M&Ms. There we go, if I can open them. I don't know if I've got enough greens for all of us to have nothing but greens, but here, grab a few. I'm going to make mine a colorful one, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to put an M&M here, and an M&M here, and I'll do blue on this side. And I guess one brown one. A blue one, and then a brown one for his head. Let's put the brown one. Oh, I don't want the M showing. Okay, darn. I need another M&M.
He's going to be a redhead.
Nothing wrong with gingers. There, put it that way so the M doesn't show. Okay. I made a turtle. Here we go. See?
Cool.
4 legs and a head. There's a turtle.
That's a real turtle. It's green.
Ooh.
We have a
And yours is green also. All right, so show everybody your beautiful turtles. Turtles, look at that. Turtles.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. So we're going to put our cupcakes over here for later. Later is cupcake eating time, right?
Ooh, yummy.
All right, so we're going to get rid of these 2, get in 2 more, and we'll do another cupcake. See you in a few moments.
Bye.
Welcome back. We have 2 more pirates. This time we have
Nathan.
and
Jack.
Nathan and Jack might look familiar because they are younger brothers of the 2 that were just here. All right, so guys, we are going to do an owl this time. So you have a choice. Do you want your owl to be green or do you want your owl to be blue?
Blue. Blue.
You both want blue. Well, then I'm going to be different and I'm going to go for green. And I should have given you cupcakes. And I didn't give you cupcakes. Okay, so grab some blue goo. And I'll grab some green goo.
Why do you call it goo?
And frosting. There. Okay?
There we go.
There we go. But it is gooey frosting. Okay, I'm going to smear a little on here like so. Don't drip down the edges and get all over my hands. There we go. Here's the green. Yeah, but you're going to want enough to hold all the cookies and stuff on it. All right, your turn. Smear a little bit of blue. Okay, we're going to take a cupcake. This is not a cupcake. We're going to take an Oreo. And I'm going to see if I can cut this in half this way. Sort of. Let's see. Does it twist off better? Because I want...
Yeah, it does.
Does it? Oh. Oh, it twists off much better. Okay, so you're going to want that side. You're going to twist them. I'll give you the frosting side. which means when you're done decorating the cookies, you get to eat the non-frosted side, but not now. Okay, and then we're gonna get 2 for me. Come on, Oreos. A frosted one and a frosted one. Any idea what these are going to be? Okay, yes, eyes.
Eyeballs.
All right, so stick the eyes. Kind of looks like a frog, doesn't it? Stick the eyes on. Okay, and then we've got all kinds of things here. Do you want an M&M for a beak, or do you want a Fruit Loop for a beak?
M&M.
M&M, would you like an orange or yellow beak?
Yellow.
Yellow beak. Orange or yellow beak?
Orange.
Oh, good, because that was in my hand. There you go. Okay, so the beak goes right between the eyes. Okay, now, owls have great big eyes, but they still need to have pupils. So we've got all kinds of things here for the pupils. We can use M&Ms again. We can use Fruit Loops. And we can use teeny little baby M&Ms. So what would you like for the pupils of your eyes? The big
Wait,
ones.
no.
No. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of frosting. You're going to put a little bit of frosting on it like that, and then stick it in the middle of your eye, okay?
Ooh, la la.
There you go. What would you like to use in the middle of your
M&Ms.
eyes? M&Ms. Here's the M&Ms.
Let's.
Okay, so find your 2 M&Ms, and then I will pass over the blue frosting.
Bob. Why don't you just use this?
Yeah, but it won't stick very well. Or you could use that frosting right there. Okay, that works. Oh, I'm going to be different. I'm going to have mismatched eyes because, you know, it's my owl and I can have mismatched eyes.
Actually, now that you said that, I kind of want a green one, blue-green. What do I do with this?
Okay, we'll just leave it in your plate. So you want a green one? There you go. Okay. What's that going to? Oh, you're putting the frosting on another eye. You're going to need a napkin because your hands are rather messy. Oh, my poor owl with his mismatched eyes. He kind of looks like he was got in a fight. And he's got a black eye. Okay, so there's my owl. Let's see your owls. Here's a little hoot hoot. Huh? And there's another little hoot hoot. All right, guys. I'm going to put the owls over here.
Bye-bye, turtles.
Over with the turtles. Yes, over with the turtles.
Nobody wants you anymore.
And then we'll be back in a moment with the last 2 of the pirates and the last of the cupcakes. All right? See you in a few moments. Thank you. Welcome back. This time I have
Colbie.
and
Emma.
And Emma might look familiar because Emma's related to the other 2. There's a big family thing going on here, except for Colbie and I. We're not related to anybody. What's that?
It's okay.
Okay, so now we're into the insect area of our animal cupcakes. And since insects, well, I suppose you could do blue because butterflies, we're going to do butterflies first. Butterflies fly, but they also land on things, so you could do green. So what color would you like for your butterfly backgrounds to be? It's not the butterfly itself. Do you want sky or grass?
Grass.
Grass. There you go. Sky or grass?
Grass.
Of course. All right, so then I'm going to go for sky because I just like being different from everybody else because it's wonderful to be different.
What if I picked sky? What would you do?
Nothing. Then I would have, I don't know what
Did
I would have done. Oh, yeah. No, I don't know what I would have done.
Can I do both? Do the
Sure,
ground
we can try that.
and the
Sure.
sky?
Can you do half of it in blue? Why not?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot of frosting. Yours is going to be gooey, gooey, gooey. And oh, that's right, you need the green for the other half. There you go. All right. So, butterfly body. We got all kinds of things to choose from. You could do M&Ms, anything small. We could do the Fruit Loops. We could do the marshmallows. We could do the teeny weeny weeny little Oreos. What would you like for the body of your butterfly?
I
know, so many choices.
Thingamabobbies look like a Fruit Loop.
Fruit Loops. All right, there you go. I'm going to have M&Ms. What would you like for the body of yours?
Tiny Oreos.
You want tiny Oreos? Okay.
I love tiny Oreos.
I like
many
all
do I do?
Oreos. You know, I'm not sure we're going to start with 3.
Just
We're going to put
many?
3 right down the middle.
you said you no.
So you're gonna, yours will be 2 because yours are much bigger. Okay, right down the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to do butterfly wings. Oh, that smells like white chocolate. As soon as you open the bag, wow. Okay, so butterfly wings. There's some butterfly wings for you. There's some butterfly wings for you.
So do we
This
just
is
go
what
like
we'll find
this?
out. This is when we find out if we need more candy for the body.
Just
See,
this?
you don't want to lay it. You could lay it flat, but it's flying, so you want to put the wings up a little bit like that. Okay.
Like that.
See, I could use another one. I'm going to put another one in. There we go. All right. Okay, so we've got the butterfly body and the butterfly wings. Now we can leave it like that, or we can use this and make little antenna. Little antennae. So just a little bit of a squeeze, and I've got, come on out, black. There we go. So there's black, there's red, there's blue, there's green, and there's yellow. Do you want antenna? And if so, what color? It's such a tough choice, huh? You want the black one also? There you go. Colby, what color would you like for your?
I'll do yellow.
Yellow. There you go.
Is this open?
It's got a lid on it. I don't know why that one doesn't have a cap. Oh boy. Okay, there. And it's been opened. Okay. There.
Okay.
And then see, I've got a little antenna right there. So it looks like a little butterfly. Looks like a little butterfly. Like Cupcake is going to fly away. Oh, look
Mine's
at that.
already flying
Yours is
away.
already flying. Hopefully it's going to fly right into your mouth, right? Not yet. You got another cupcake to do. Okay, so we're going to put our butterflies. Let's see. Show everybody your beautiful butterfly. Oh, that yellow came out very thick, didn't it? Here's beautiful butterfly, beautiful butterfly. All right, let's put our butterflies someplace. Okay.
Someplace.
I know we're running out of room here. Okay, so now we're going to do one for you, one for you.
Can I have a
for me.
cupcake?
Yes, you can take a cupcake. And you can have a cupcake.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. All right, so the next one is going to be a snake. Snake is in the grass, so I'm doing mine in green, right?
Well, I was gonna do my snake green.
You're going to make it, well, you could make a green snake.
But what would I do for the?
You can make a green snake on green grass.
How
They'll
would
be
you do
well camouflaged. Animals like to be camouflaged so the predators don't see them. Oh, look at that. We put some science in here. I knew we were going to get some science in here somehow. There you
Okay,
go.
then
So
I'm gonna do green.
you can do whatever color it is you want. You can do another two-toned guy if you wish to.
Can I do bluegrass?
You from Kentucky? Sure. There you go. Bluegrass.
Bluegrass.
Whoop. All right, let's get these pretzels out of the way.
I finally got some not multicolored.
Okay, this is, oh, that's a black one. It didn't have a cover. All right, so for the snake's body, once again, you've got a choice. We've got all kinds. Well, this one was a little bit big. Don't think that would make a very good snake. So
No.
we've got M&Ms, we've got Fruit Loops, and we've got mini marshmallows. Fruit Loops, what would you like?
How many do we need?
We're not sure yet. We'll have to think about that.
M&Ms.
M&Ms. All right, there you go. And I'm going to use the marshmallows because they're here. We haven't used them for anything yet. Okay,
I wanna
so
make my
you want
squiggly.
to, yep, you want to make a squiggly line with your candies.
Two.
Okay, so I'm going to there,
Orange.
and here, and here, and here, and I can get another one in there. There we go. Put this back on it. And red tongues.
How
Red
are we gonna-
tongues.
Oh,
Same way you did the antenna, except this is going to come out a lot faster than the black does.
of course
So
it will.
be very careful. Okay, give them a little tongue. There, little tongue. There you go. There's a snake with a little tongue. Oh, I should probably put a little eye on it too. That's right, this one does have a cover.
No,
Give them little eyes.
he's
Part of it.
bleeding.
Yeah, I know, it bleeds all over the place, doesn't it?
He's bleeding.
Poor
Poor little snake.
Poor little snake. Well, it's okay, it's a
You go.
snake.
For the tongue.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you want to put eyes on yours? Whoa, that's a long snake. He is really,
What is it? Oh.
yeah, she made a long snake. You know what? Since mine is boring and white. Whoa, okay, well now it doesn't look like a snake anymore. I wanted to put some dots on it to give them some color, but wow.
I put
just
dots in the
bled all
middle
over
of the
place.
thing?
Look at my poor snake.
Can
He's
I
all
put dots
green.
all over this
You
thing?
go right ahead. You want to, Colby? Go ahead.
No, I'm gonna use the black for the
Gonna
eyes.
use the black for the eyes. Oh, look at this. I am just oozing this frosting everywhere. My steak is looking very sad. When you're finished with the black, okay? Emma, Colby's.
Waiting.
Yep. No, that's all right. We got all day.
Thank you.
Ooh.
I know that is one sad looking snake, isn't it? Look at my poor snake. That poor little thing. He's just so sad.
What are we gonna add now?
What?
This is boring.
Well, it's not boring. What matters is it going to be tasty? Right? It's not boring. Oh, that's a good looking snake. You did much better with the frosting the second time than with the first time.
Yeah.
'Cause your yellow antenna went all over the place. Not as bad as my steak, though. My steak was pretty bad. All right, so now what are we going to do?
I don't know.
Details.
Yeah.
No, the steak is done, so now what are we going to do? Eat. Yes, so that'll form you. Come on up. Grab a cupcake. Not that one. Grab a
still
cup. Don't
alive.
put your butts to the world. Stand
It's
over so
dead,
people can
it's
see you.
dead.
Nobody wants to look at your rear ends. Okay? So grab it. Do you want to eat that cupcake that you dropped, or do you want to eat your butterfly?
Yay! I liked it.
Turn around. Turn around. They said you could grab one of the other cupcakes.
Don't want mine.
And we'll clean that up afterwards.
I don't like.
So we'll clean that up afterwards.
You can do my squish snake now. You can eat the snake.
Here.
I don't want it.
You can have my butterfly, or you can have my my owl. I know. How doesn't that look sad? All right. Well, thank you all so much. I hope you have fun decorating your own cupcakes.
I'm gonna take
All right.
this amazing cup.
Bye, all. Everybody say bye, 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 bye. Throw a mouthful of food. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.